What's up everybody, this is James from Tindall Tech, back with a tip here for MacBooks. One thing that you can do is go into your system preferences, and then from there you're going to go into accessibility, and then we're going to scroll until we find keyboard, and then keyboard preferences, and then we're going to select shortcuts, and on the left you should see services. And then we're going to just scroll down until we find something that's called summarize, and we're going to make sure that that box is checked. From here we can go onto the web and we can find a article. So this article just so happens to be a pretty long one that I was reading. It was pretty time consuming. So one thing that you can do just to get the highlights is to highlight all the text and do a double click with both fingers and select services and then summarize. And then from here a window will pop up. You can select paragraphs and it would give you a summarized version of this article without reading the whole thing, just the highlights. So one cool tip that I thought I would share with you guys.